The sky is no longer just a space for observation, it has become the primary theatre for industrial productivity. In 2026, we are witnessing the obsolescence of ground-based heavy machinery as specialized aircraft take over the most demanding tasks on the planet. We are moving toward a future where efficiency is calculated in autonomous flight hours, and the physical limitations of the Earth no longer dictate the pace of our work. This drone can spray crops faster than a tractor, delivering autonomous precision to hundreds of acres while you monitor the progress from the shade. The DJI Agras T40 is a titan of agricultural engineering, designed to replace the slow, soil-compacting weight of traditional ground vehicles with a high-velocity aerial alternative. It is the definitive answer for large-scale farmers who require maximum coverage without the logistical headache of heavy fuel-burning equipment. The T40 is powered by a revolutionary coaxial twin-rotor design, which increases its payload capacity by 30% over previous generations, supporting a massive 50-kilogram spreading load or a 40-kilogram liquid spray tank. Its dual atomized centrifugal nozzles ensure that every drop is uniform in size, preventing chemical waste and maximizing crop absorption. In a single hour of operation, this machine can cover 52 acres of farmland or 4 hectares of complex orchard terrain, navigating steep slopes and obstacles with centimeter-level accuracy. The smart core of the T40 features an active phased array radar system paired with binocular vision, providing a 360-degree omnidirectional safety net that allows the drone to bypass power lines and trees without human intervention. To keep the workflow uninterrupted, the included EFI generator can fully charge a flight battery in under 10 minutes, ensuring the machine stays in the air where it belongs. At $26,500, this is an industrial powerhouse that turns months of manual labor into a few days of automated flight. This drone shoots cinema-quality footage, offering a dynamic range and color depth that transforms standard aerial shots into professional film sequences with a single tap. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro V3 is a masterclass in portable imaging, designed for creators who need a 6K powerhouse that fits in a backpack. It is the definitive tool for videographers who refuse to let lighting conditions or hardware limitations dictate their creative vision. At the heart of this machine is a massive Sony 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning 6K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60. Unlike its competitors, it features a physical adjustable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, allowing you to control depth of field and exposure in real time without stopping to swap ND filters. With a flight time of 40 minutes, you have the endurance to wait for the perfect light without the constant anxiety of a landing timer. At $2,199, you can have the cinematic powerhouse that packs a studio-grade sensor into a foldable, rapid deployment frame. This is a personal flying vehicle, a zero-emission electric vertical takeoff and landing craft designed to turn any open field into your private runway. The Jetson ONE is an ultralight aerial platform that strips away the complexity of traditional flight, allowing anyone to take to the skies after just 5 minutes of training. It is the definitive toy for the modern pioneer, offering a Star Wars speeder bike experience that is entirely electric and remarkably quiet. The vehicle is constructed around a race car-inspired all-aluminum space frame, weighing in at just 86 kilograms empty. It is powered by 8 high-output electric motors, driving 8 individual propellers, providing a total power output of 88 kilowatts. This configuration allows for a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour, while the flight time is currently capped at 20 minutes per charge. The experience is defined by its ease of use. A single 3-axis joystick controls your direction, while the onboard flight computer maintains a perfectly stable hover, even if you let go of the controls entirely. For absolute emergencies, it is equipped with a rapid deploy ballistic parachute and a LiDAR-driven obstacle avoidance system that creates a virtual cushion to prevent hard landings. At $148,000, this is a personal flying vehicle that turns science fiction into a tangible, high-velocity reality for the modern era. This drone flies itself around obstacles with zero human intervention, navigating through complex environments that would crush any other aircraft. The Skydio X10 is the pinnacle of autonomy-first engineering, designed to operate in high-interference zones where GPS is unreliable and visibility is non-existent. It is the definitive choice for enterprise inspections and search and rescue teams who need a drone that can think for itself. Powering this intelligence is the NVIDIA Jetson ONE SoC, providing 10 times the computing power of previous generations to process data from 6 high-resolution navigation cameras. This creates a true 360-degree vision system that allows the X10 to see and avoid obstacles as small as a single power line in real time. For nocturnal missions, it introduces Night Sense technology, utilizing infrared navigation to maintain full autonomous obstacle avoidance in total darkness. The modular sensor payload is equally impressive, featuring a 64-megapixel narrow camera and a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, paired with a FLIR boson plus thermal sensor for high-sensitivity heat detection. It's built for the elements with an IP55 weather rating and can be deployed from its case to the air in under 40 seconds. With 5G connectivity and 40 minutes of flight time, it offers a level of operational persistence that was previously impossible for a drone of this size. At $20,000, this is the most intelligent autonomous platform ever built, transforming impossible missions into a standard push-button operation.